Hello everyone and welcome to this channel from wherever you're watching us this channel from. This is actually my first video I'm recording myself on this channel, purposely to inform and maybe to educate those people who are graphic design enthusiasts, people who want to make simple designs but they do not know how to make those kind of designs attractive, appealing and simple also at the same time. So with that, let's cue the graphics. Can you just believe people just popping up and going up? It's very funny. Anyway, he apologized. So on today's series, I want to touch up on simple graphic design. Those people who wanted to do designs, but they do not know how to come up. Maybe they don't have the knowledge of working with advanced softwares, professional softwares like Adobe Photoshop and alike. So there are simpler online platforms, online tools that you can work, provided you have a computer and stable internet connection. So today I wanted to touch on at least 7 different platforms that you can go in. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. So are you looking forward to designing posters, social media posts, let's say Twitter, let's say Facebook, let's say Instagram, let's say Pinterest? You're trying to look at those kind of designs that you will look appealing, at the same time very simple to work on, and you don't have the skills and knowledge to work with advanced softwares like Photoshop, for example, Illustrator. So on today's episode, I wanted to touch on a series of online platforms where you can come simply as a designer or without any design knowledge and make brilliant, simple, attractive designs for your social media platforms. So I have selected at least 7 different website platforms that offer these services. And stick around, because at the end of this particular video, I will give you an insight to the platform that I use most whenever I get to be told to do such a design and I don't have enough time. So let's start. The first one, number 1, the first one is Adobe Spark, and it has a lot of features. You can see from the website there is a lot of things that you can do on it. You can design logos, there's like professional themes, there is a lot of beautiful typography, the fonts are different, you can change to whichever font that you like specifically. You can use it's both for mobile and web, because for me, I have it on my phone and I use it specifically to put quotes on my Facebook page because I find it so easy to work with. So when you look through the website, it's so minimal and simple to use. You can simply access it. So they show you that, and also the pricing is totally free. Yeah, it's totally free. So if you come to the pricing tab, it's telling you the plans that is there is free. So you can click on get started and then you can create your account. Also, you can download the application to your phone. So it's a very nice and simplistic kind of a solution that you can use to create your own design. There is also on the website, you can see there is Spark for business, there is Spark for education, and then you can also go to make designs. So when you go to make designs, you'll see some of the templates that they are sorry. So when you go to the website, to the column for design, so when you go to the column for design, you'll see some of the templates that they're using there. You can select from whichever poster you want. It's just a lot of things that you can do on this. I mean, it's up to your imagination. So you click start now for free, and then you will be able to go to the next level. Have very nice template. You can see the advert banners, event banners. You can see even brochures. You can create anniversary cards, you can create business cards, wedding cards, the list is endless. Even certificates, very beautiful. well-designed certificates for presents. Maybe you're presenting to your kids. I don't know. Do people do that? But you can do that anyway. There are basic templates that you can manipulate and change, customize actually to your own desire. Posters for social media. Look at the column for resumes. You can, very nice professional resumes. Very nice, beautiful resumes, by the way. So the next one I also like to use because this one I got introduced to, I think 3 years ago. It's called Crello. Crello is also one of the best platform that I also see, but this is partially paid, partially free. There are some parts when you some specific attributes or features that you have to pay for. So, but then for a starter, you can just use for free for a lifetime, I think. But if you want to go for pro version, where you actually generate videos, short videos, your different formats of your design, you will have to go to the pro version, and you pay $9.99, actually $10. You pay $10 on that. So you click on start for free, and the list is endless, by the way. The designs are so many. If you go to the templates, let's just see the types of templates. These are templates that are done pro Photoshop, by the way. We have some that I see are actually designs that you can't achieve just that way, that easily. Some of them are actually like look at this one, animated posts, like square posts for Facebook, Instagram. You see, look at this kind, Black Friday. Look, very nice designs. It's up to you to go into the website and then check. By the way, it's too much. It's a lot. Social media posts, we have Facebook, Tumblr, Instagram posts, Twitter posts, Instagram highlight covers, those kind of stories, IG covers. Yeah, because it's about branding also. If you're a blogger, you can come and make titles for your blogs, make those kind of beautiful, attractive posts before you actually just don't blog on a plainly. You just send a very plain, it's like it's done on Microsoft Word, and then paste it, maybe screenshot and uploaded on that particular URL. So we have solutions, amazing digital solutions that you don't need to start saying that, oh, I need to go to school to study how to use Photoshop. The solutions are there, you can use. Another one that I've seen, and this one actually I came across it today when I was doing a research on some of this. So to me, I didn't find it that easy. It's somehow complicated. It's not that easy. Maybe I need to take more time to use it, and then I can see, because it's still very basic. It's showing you pages. You have layers. It's called vector.com, like vector, vectr.com. So I guess it's also for free. I'll do more digging into this particular platform, and then I'll update you on future videos on the same. But it looks like you don't have any template, because I was trying to do some circles, just basic shapes. I still need to do some learning on this, and then maybe I can do a specific individual video for this. The other one is called PhotoJet. This is also similar to Crello. I think I'm seeing it's for free, because I'm not seeing anything like pay or something like that. You also have places for design, college, edit, also video editor. You can make videos on this particular platform. We have an upgrade now here. You have to pay in future if you want to make those things called pro. So you have to pay. And then the other one, but then the designs are just there, very simple. I can see, because normally what I see, the crown here, if you click, you see exclusive for subscribers. It comes with a watermark. So this particular design you cannot use. But if you go to this kind of simple designs that are here, minimalistic without any watermark, you can use the kind of design. Then after you finish, you just come to download, and then you'll download. Or you can click print, or you can click share. You can share to your social media platforms. That's it. The other one is called designer.com. Designer.com looks also on the same level with Crello. I actually visited it 2 days ago, and when I was preparing for this content, and I think it's more or less close to Crello. We have a lot of very nice features here. The best thing is that it is for free, so you don't have to worry. Provided you have an email address, a Gmail account, a Facebook account, you can sign in and log in, sign up using your social media details, and then you start. Look at these wonderful categories that are there. Like, you come to magazines and newsletters. Very nice simplistic posts. You can start making your own newsletters, and then you attach, circulate to your friends using their emails, colleagues, people whom you know. Just write your own articles, post them there, and then start sharing it out. You don't need to go and start looking for a publisher to do that. We have certificates I've seen here. We have CVs. We have let me see another one. And another one, they put a specific column for COVID-19, specific one. So those people who wanted to do infographics about coronavirus, on how it spreads, you can come here. It's so simple. And the best thing that they already have those kind of information, how to, like for instance here, practice good hygiene. You have the graphic design and the information. What you just need to do is to customize it to your own particular brand setup. And also you have the figures here, a lot of things. So you can just come to these websites. It's called designer.com. I'll give the links in the description below as well. The other one we have here, it's called Appipie Design. Appipie, it's called design.appipie.com. That's the URL. It's also more or less the same with the Crello, Spark, and the rest that I've actually used. I've shown you before. We have very nice designs. You click and then it takes you to the edit column, and then you have the opportunity to sign in using your email address or social media platforms. Now let's go to the final part, the one that I like using and I've actually gotten myself accustomed to it. I say it's called canva.com. So Canva is one of the best. I think I've used it for quite a long time. For the past 3 or 4 years, I've been using Canva when I do not have enough time to sit on Adobe Photoshop. Because it's easy, I've mastered it. Like, you can manipulate anything. You can write reports. You can even do documents like presentation for PowerPoint. You can design logos. You can design flyers. You can design just about anything that clicks into your mind. These are the categories. If you come here, you have recommended, you have social media events, marketing documents, videos, school, personal, and then you can customize your sizes also. You can come here, click your specific, let's say we want to do a logo. You come to the logo, and then we have templates on the left side of the screen. So you can, let's say you click this one, simple businesses. Maybe you're starting up your simple branding stores and you want to have a simple logo. Just come to this. It's called canva.com, and then you can do your designs. After you do your designs, you'll come here to download. It will give you options for downloading PNG, JPEG or any other print format. If you want to download it with a transparent background, then you have to pay the premium rate. You have to pay. Otherwise, Canva is one versatile tool that I would like to recommend. those people who want to do design but they do not have the knowledge yet to do this kind of designs. The good thing is, as a designer, trends are coming up every time, because with these kind of technologies and simplicity also is key. So you don't have to be so ambiguous to put a lot of content, a lot of material on your design. Make it simple to communicate. We'll go into those kind of details in future videos, where we'll see the ideal kind of a design for a specific purpose, because all fields, how you design for a wedding card is different from how you design for a corporate business card. So it's those kind of elements that we are going to be highlighting on this particular channel. With that, I would like to request humbly, if you find that this particular channel and this kind of videos is what is appealing to you, it's actually helping you, consider subscribing to this channel, click on the bell icon, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Bye bye.